My name is Zach Weathington. I am a regional manager for Thai Chili To Go. We are an Arizona-based restaurant brand, and we are down here in our Maricopa location today. I think working for an Arizona-specific brand makes it easier to be part of the community. We like to work locally with schools and local fundraisers. We are a to-go kind of fast casual style restaurant brand. So having a self-service solution for our guests to order quickly for themselves is ideal. So the Samsung Kiosks, it's also allowed us to attach pictures to each menu item in a line behind multiple people who are ordering that maybe need to ask multiple questions. They can just hop on a kiosk, get their food, and get out quicker. It allows us to actually get more food and more orders into the restaurant and then turn them out faster. The kiosks have been great for the employees because it allows them to do multiple tasks at once and not necessarily have to be guest-facing the whole time. I think what makes me most proud to work for an Arizona-specific brand is that we are a small restaurant company. We're local to Arizona, so when we work with local charities or local fundraisers or events, it just feels that much more special.